Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to change wipers on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, make sure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. It's also a good idea to have a soft towel handy to protect your windshield. Begin by carefully lifting the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into an upright position. This prevents it from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this release mechanism and then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. Be very careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Keep a firm grip on the arm throughout this step. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Orient the new blade so it slides easily onto the J-hook of the wiper arm. Push it firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it won't come loose. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield effectively. For best results, always keep your windshield clean. Remember, wiper blades typically need replacing every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice streaking or chattering. Regular replacement ensures clear visibility and safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.